In the following demonstration, I will show you how to use cost journals. So let me go to the search function to search for cost journals. And there we go. Now, if you're familiar with the general journals, you will also find it easy to use cost journals because they're quite similar. So first of all, let me expand the page. Next, I will stick to the default batch name, but you can also create another batch if you want. And then I will start with entering a posting date. Then the document number, which I will enter manually, and then the cost type number. So just as you choose, for example, a GL account number in a general journal, here we have to choose a cost type number. So let me search for a cost type depreciation equipment, and then the cost center or the cost object code. Now, the general rule that applies to each cost entry in cost accounting is that a cost entry can only have a cost center or a cost object, but never both at the same time. So in this case, I will use the cost center administration and I will enter an amount. Next, I will use my allocation account and the balancing cost center production. So this is a very simple example, just showing the fields that you need to enter. So, and that's something that you can typically use to make corrections, to make manual allocations, and so on. So once everything is entered, I can click on Post Print, then choose Post, and then post the line. So also here in this case, you will now see that the system has created cost entries and we can find them back in the cost registers. And again, by looking at the source field, you can tell that this cost or these two cost entries were posted from the cost journal.